Hello everyone. Hello everyone. This is my virtual class. This is my second virtual class of class 7 live streaming. In this class, in previous class, we already discussed some properties of triangles. Today, we will discuss another properties of the triangle. In an equilateral triangle, medians and median medians and altitudes are same line segment. Another property, all medians, all medians, all means three medians of any triangle, of any triangle, of any triangle inside the triangle. Altitudes of a triangle may be inside the triangle, may be outside the triangle. Altitudes of any triangle may be inside the triangle or may be inside the triangle or maybe outside the triangle. In a right angle triangle, another property, in a right angled triangle, two sides other than hypotenuse are altitudes of that triangle. And another property of a triangle, this is not property. Now this is a triangle. This triangle occupy this space. Now area of that portion, area of any triangle is half into base into height or altitudes, square units. Now area of any triangle, this is a formula, half into base into height means altitudes, half into base into height. This is now area of any triangle. Now next we will do exercise of that chapter, that is chapter 14. First question, let's write how many medians are there in a triangle. How many medians are there in a triangle? In a triangle there are 3 medians. The answer of question 1 is In a triangle there are three medians. Question number 2. Let's find how many points do the three medians of a triangle meet. Three triangles meet at a single point. At a single point, this point is called centroid. Question number 3. Let's write how many heights of there in a triangle. In a triangle there are three heights. Best books for JEE main. This is now, this class is for class 7. This is not class 11 or 12. So I will discuss on only on class 7. Jayanto Ghosh. This class is not for class 11 12. This is a class for 7. Next, question number 4. Let's find in how many points do the three heights or altitudes of a triangle meet. Three heights meet at a only one point. This point is called orthocenter. Three heights meet at a one point and this point is called orthocenter. Question number 5. Let's identify the triangle whose all the medians and heights are same. Already in the board write three medians and three heights of an equilateral triangle are same line segment. So answer of the question number 5, the triangle must be an equilateral triangle. The triangle must be an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, medians and heights all are same line segment. Next, question number 2. Let us draw all the types of triangle classified according to sides and angles and then draw three medians for each of these triangle using scale and compass. Now, first we draw a an equilateral triangle. Now I first draw an equilateral triangle. Now I take a fifth line segment using scale 7 centimeter, 5 centimeter or 9 centimeter. This line segment is fixed. This is the fixed line segment. Then we draw a line segment using compass. This is the very small compass. Now measure this. Now the compass here, cut. Now join. Here the triangle. Now this is the answer of question number 2. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Next, bisect the side BC. Next, bisect the side BC. Now this is the join the line segment, and this is the middle point of BC. This is the middle point of BC. This point is D. Again, we bisect the line segment AC. Now take the middle point. This is the middle point. Similarly, bisect the side AC. Problem হচ্ছে করতে। কম্পাসটাকে প্রথমে এ পয়েন্টে বসাবে, এদিকে কাটবে, এদিকেও কাটবে, আবার সিতে বসে এইদিকেও কাটবে, এদিকেও কাটবে, দিয়ে এসি লাইনটাকে বাইসেক্ট করে এসির মিড পয়েন্টটা নেবে, তার নাম দেবে ই। ঠিক সিমিলারলি যেরকম ভাবে আমি বিসির মিড পয়েন্টটা বার করেছি, সেরকম ভাবে তুমি এবির মিড পয়েন্টটাকে বার করবে। না, এ থেকে কম্পাসটা বসিয়ে দুদিকে কাটবে, আবার বি তে বসিয়ে কম্পাসটাকে দুদিকে কাটবে, করে যে মিড পয়েন্টটা পাবে তার নাম দিবে এফ। দিয়ে ওই তিনটে এডি 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 বিই এন্ড সিএফ গুলোকে জয়েন করবে। জয়েন করে দেখবে এই পয়েন্টটা হচ্ছে এফ, আন্দাজে করেছি তো, এই পয়েন্টটা হচ্ছে এফ। জয়েন করে দেখবে থ্রি মিডিয়ানস একটা কমন পয়েন্ট দিয়ে গেছে। we see that three medians are inside the triangle and passing through a common point, Next, I draw an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are same length and the length of one side is unequal, and then draw three medians, and we see from the figure, this is no homework, we see that the medians are inside the triangle and three medians are passing through a common point. Next, we draw another triangle, scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means length of three sides are unequal. Then we bisect each side and get the middle point of each side and draw three medians, and from the figure we see that three medians are concurrent and three medians are inside the triangle. Next, we draw another triangle according to angles. According to sides, there are three types of triangle: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. And according to angles, there are three types of triangle: acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle triangle. Next, we draw an acute angle triangle. That means all angles are acute. That is, all angle measure of all angles lies between 0 degree to 90 degree. Then we draw midpoint of three sides and then draw three medians of that triangle, and from the figure we see that three medians are inside the triangle and three medians are concurrent. Henry Leclerc is in comment section. Can you kindly tell me the meaning of orthocenter? The orthocenter is the point of intersection of three altitudes. The orthocenter is the point of intersection of three altitudes. Next, we draw a right angle triangle. One angle is right angle. In right angle triangle, three medians are also inside the triangle and three medians are concurrent. Next, we draw a obtuse angle triangle. In obtuse angle triangle, that means one angle is obtuse. Now I draw a rough sketch of obtuse angle triangle in the board. Now I draw a obtuse angle triangle. One angle is obtuse, that means one angle is greater than 90 degree. This is the obtuse angle triangle. In the board, triangle ABC is an obtuse angle triangle and angle B is obtuse. Now we draw three medians. Now midpoint of BC is D, midpoint of AC is E, and midpoint of AB is F. Now join AD, join AD, join BE, and join CF. So you see that in obtuse angle triangle, triangle ABC is an obtuse angle triangle. D is the midpoint of BC. Bisect the line segment BC using scale and compass. D is the midpoint of BC. Using scale and compass, bisect the line segment AC is the midpoint of AC. And similarly, F is the midpoint of AB. Join AD, so therefore AD is a median. Join BE, so B is a median. Join CF, so CF is another median. So from the figure we see that three medians are inside the triangle and three medians are concurrent. Next, we draw another kind of triangle, right angle triangle. This is now right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means one angle is right angle. So here the triangle ABC is right angle triangle, angle B is right angle. So AC is the hypotenuse. Now we bisect the line segment BC D is the midpoint of side BC. Using scale and compass, bisect the line segment AC, and E is the midpoint of AC, and F is the midpoint of the line segment AB. Now we join AD. So here AD is a median, and join BE. So B is another median, and join CF. So CF is another median. So from the figure we see that three medians are inside the triangle, and three medians are concurrent. This is the answer of question number 2. The medians always remain inside the triangle, and three medians are concurrent. Next question, question number 3. Let us measure the height of each of the triangle given below with scale and pencil. প্রত্যেকে করবে, প্রত্যেকে এই ছবিগুলো আছে নিচের কপিতে করে ট্রায়াঙ্গেল গুলোর হাইট গুলো বার করবে, বার করে মেজার গুলো স্কেল দিয়ে বার করে দেখবে। Next, question number 4. Let us draw the triangles classified according to the angles. এখানে কিন্তু according to angles, not according to sides. Draw the triangle classified according to angles. Here we draw three types of triangle: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. Let us draw height using scale and compass and find if all the height remain inside the triangle. Now first we draw a right angle triangle. First we draw a right angle triangle. In the board, the triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and angle B is right angle. Height or altitude means height is a line segment joining any vertex. Height is a perpendicular line segment joining any vertex to opposite side. So here AB is a line segment. AB is a perpendicular line segment on BC from A. So AB is a height. According to definition of height, AB is a height. Now AB is a side of the triangle ABC, and C is the opposite vertex of the side AB. So now CB is the perpendicular line segment from C to AB. So according to definition of height, CB is also height. CB is also height. Now we draw a perpendicular from B to AC. কম্পাসটাকে বিতে বসাবে, দিয়ে আটটা টানবে, সেই আটটা টানার পর এই যে অ্যাঙ্গেলটা পাচ্ছ এটাকে আবার বাইসেক্ট করবে, এখানে বসে এখানে কাটবে, এখানে বসে এখানে কাটবে, দিয়ে এটাকে জয়েন করবে, এইটা হবে পারপেন্ডিকুলার। তাহলে দেখো এখানে এই তিনটে three heights of the triangle ABC meet at the point B. So there is a property of right angle triangle. Now, in a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, the right angular point, the right angular point, the right angular point is the right angular point is orthocenter. Now, orthocenter means the point of intersection of three heights. In the right angle triangle, from the figure we see that three heights meet at the point B. So B is the orthocenter of the right angle triangle. Next, we draw another type of triangle, obtuse angle triangle. In obtuse angle triangle, one angle must be obtuse. One angle must be obtuse. Triangle ABC is an obtuse angle triangle. Now this angle is obtuse, that means this angle is greater than 90 degree. So therefore, now we draw a perpendicular from A on BC. The perpendicular is, now the line segment CB is extended, and this is a perpendicular line segment. This is the perpendicular line segment on BC. এই পারপেন্ডিকুলারটা দেখো বিসির বাইরে চলে যাচ্ছে, বিসির মধ্যে কিন্তু এ থেকে বিসির উপর পারপেন্ডিকুলার ড্র করা যাচ্ছে না। এ থেকে বিসির উপর পারপেন্ডিকুলার ড্র করা যাচ্ছে না, দেখো পারপেন্ডিকুলারটা বিসির বাইরে চলে এসেছে, তাহলে এখানে কিন্তু এই পারপেন্ডিকুলারটা কি হবে, এই পারপেন্ডিকুলারটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটার বাইরে। বি থেকে এসির উপর পারপেন্ডিকুলার টানো, দেখো বি থেকে এসির উপর পারপেন্ডিকুলার হচ্ছে এটা বি, এটা ইনসাইড দ্য ট্রায়াঙ্গেল। সি থেকে এবির উপর পারপেন্ডিকুলার টানো, দেখো সি থেকে এবির উপর পারপেন্ডিকুলার টানছে, দেখো বাইরে চলে আসছে। এটা দেখো পারপেন্ডিকুলার, CF is perpendicular to AB, তার মানে দুটো দেখো হাইট ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের বাইরে। এডিটাও দেখো, এডিটা একটা হাইট perpendicular to BC, B is height perpendicular to AC, and CF is perpendicular to AB. এই দুটো দেখো আউটসাইড দ্য ট্রায়াঙ্গেল, এন্ড দেখো এই ট্রায়াঙ্গেল এই পারপেন্ডিকুলারটা দেখো এই পয়েন্টে মিট করেছে। Three perpendiculars meet at this point, and this point is called orthocenter of the triangle. From the figure we see that orthocenter may be inside the triangle or outside the triangle.